Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to make quick recipe fishball vegetable soup. Hope you like it. Let's make this recipe when you have no appetite. It contains soup, vegetables and fish balls. It's perfect to eat with rice too. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe, so you may refer back anytime you like. Ingredients: fish balls, vegetables, onion, anchovies, ginger. Just put whatever vegetables you like, yeah. Anchovies will make the soup taste sweet and delicious. Peel and chopped onion. Chopped ginger and set aside. Vegetables wash and remove stem. Fish balls wash and set aside. Stir fry anchovies until fragrant. Add chopped ginger. Add chopped onion. Pour 1 bowl water. One teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon pepper powder. Optional to add chicken powder. Cook with medium flame to release flavor. Once boiled, add fish balls. I can smell the aroma of fish balls now. Add vegetables and cook until wilted. Pour into soup bowl. Let's eat. This soup tastes sweet with 2 important ingredients, anchovies and onion. It's delicious. Optional to sprinkle pepper powder to enhance the tastes. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist, yeah. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I found some information about ingredient of this recipe on the internet and I'd like to share it with you. Who invented fish balls? According to historical records, the chewy and smooth fish balls were created during the reign of Qin Shi Huang. The emperor loved fish but didn't like fish bones, so the imperial chef had an idea to chop the fish meat into minced fish and roll them into balls. This is how the white, tender and delicious fish balls were born. What fish are fish balls made of? Also known as water balls, in ancient times they were called boiled fish balls. Because it is delicious and you won't get tired of eating it, it can be used as a snack ingredient or soup, and it is an indispensable seafood delicacy for coastal people. Fish balls are famous for their attention to material selection and production technology. They are mostly made of fresh yellow croaker, mackerel, eel, and shark. There are more delicious easy recipes in my channel, do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.